What is the EOS token? EOS is a cryptocurrency running on the EOS blockchain. It has 4 distinctive features. First, EOS transactions are fast. Transactions are confirmed in only half a second and finalized in under 2 minutes. Second, it's free to transfer. Many other blockchains charge a fee for every transaction. This fee can range from less than a penny to several dollars during times of peak traffic. EOS, on the other hand, is always free to transfer. There is no mining fee. Free transfers make EOS especially appealing for microtransactions of a few cents or less. For example, buying an in-game item for 1 cent in an EOS-based game will cost just that, 1 cent. On other blockchains, it might cost 1 cent for the item and 5 more cents for the transaction fee. Free transfers also mean that simple actions on EOS, such as liking a comment or changing a username, don't require a transaction fee, helping to remove friction for users. Third, EOS tokens play an important role in governing the EOS blockchain. Only people who hold EOS can vote for the block producers who run the network. Finally, EOS is the only token on the EOS network that can be used to obtain the resources that developers need to run applications. We'll explain how resources work on EOS and the other EOS.io blockchains in the next lesson.